Losing a loved one is an experience that cuts deep, often leaving a gaping hole in the fabric of our lives. The initial shock can feel all-consuming as the world has shifted beneath our feet, and we are left stumbling through a landscape that feels foreign and hostile. In these moments of profound sorrow, it's natural to feel a sense of disorientation and despair, unsure how to even take the next step forward. When someone we love passes away, it can seem as if the colors in our world have faded, leaving behind a gray. Everyday tasks often feel unsurmountable, and the future appears bleak and uncertain. There is no right or wrong way to grieve. There is only your way. Allowing yourself to feel the emotions that accompany loss is a crucial part of the healing process. Mourning is not linear. It is a winding road that can lead us back to familiar places or into uncharted territories of emotions. In these times, it is essential to seek and accept support. Family and friends often want to help but may not know how. So opening a line of communication can provide them with the clarity they need to be there for you. Honoring the memories of the person you lost can be a powerful tool in the healing process. Creating rituals such as lighting a candle or visiting their favorite places or compiling a scrapbook of memories can provide moments of reflection and solace. Create a new narrative that includes both your love for the person you lost and your desire to continue living your life fully. It is essential to understand that feeling joy after loss does not invalidate your grief. Instead, it reflects the capacity to love and cherish the time you spent together. While the journey through grief may feel uncertain and daunting, it carries with it the potential for growth, understanding, and ultimately healing. It's okay to lean on others, to celebrate the lives of those who left us, and to seek help when needed. In time, the weight of sorrow may lighten, allowing you to carry forward the beautiful memories of your loved ones while finding peace and purpose in your own life. SwabiDabi.